Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stop loss on crypto. A stop loss order is a crucial tool designed to automatically sell your cryptocurrency if its price drops to a predetermined level. This helps you limit potential losses and manage your trading risk effectively. You can typically choose between a stop market order, which executes at the next available price, or a stop limit order, which executes at a specified price or better. To set a stop loss, you'll primarily use the crypto.com exchange for spot trading or specific features like strike and up-down options within the crypto.com app. When initiating a new trade or managing an existing position, navigate to the trading screen. There, look for the Advanced Trading Options menu. This is where you will find the essential functionality to add a stop-loss order to your chosen trade, helping you manage risk. Once you've navigated to the stop-loss settings, you'll need to input a few key details. First, set your trigger price. This is the point at which your stop-loss order becomes active. If you're using a stop limit order, you'll also specify a limit price, ensuring your trade executes at that price or better. Finally, enter the exact quantity of the asset you want to protect with this order. Before finalizing, always take a moment to carefully review all the details of your stop-loss order. Confirm the trigger price, limit price if applicable, and the quantity to ensure everything is correct. Remember that fast-moving markets can sometimes impact execution, potentially leading to slippage. You have the flexibility to adjust or cancel your stop-loss orders at any point, allowing you to adapt to changing market conditions and maintain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.